Hey everyone, welcome back. We're out here at Bodega again. We're gonna run out for Charlie's Soul, hopefully. We got all the crab pots on the bow, we got crab hoops. So we're looking for limits of crabs for the 4 of us. We got me, Bill, Mike, and Jeff, the new guy.
I won't be used as bait, I promise.
Hope not. Alright, so we finally made it out here. Mike's already hooked up, Jeff's already hooked up. Bill's had one on 300 feet, almost to Rittenberg. Almost dropped down.
Yeah, we fell down. You're out of practice, man. Chris has got one too. Good job.
Here we go, first sand dab of the morning for me. Little guy. Billy's was a little bigger just a second ago.
Yeah, it's pretty much after catch it. Yeah, another rock there.
Let's see what I got. I got 2, 3.
Really? That was
What? Sand dabs.
pretty
I got 2 sand dabs. 2 sand dabs.
Should we drop back down?
Woo! Oh yeah, I got a jelly too.
Should we drop back down?
We're gonna let the jelly go. There we go. Jelly goes back.
Well, should we drop back down?
It's up to you.
You guys want to drop back down? We've got two.
Nice little double. Wish I had more.
I didn't know that.
Hey everyone, sorry I didn't take the time to show you guys the sand dab rig that I was using. It's just a Ahi store-bought sand dab rig tied on 80-pound main line. Take a look at it as I'm going through it and straightening it out to let it back down. It's got 12 hooks. There is no hook restrictions when you're fishing for sand dabs. Yeah, I think we're tangled.
I don't know about you guys, but that's down to that electric wheel on the front of the boat with good oil.
What? I can't hear you.
Rockfish don't stick their heads all the way out. They caught you.
There's 3 of them, 4 of them.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Woo!
Boy, put the light on and look what happened.
4 of them, 1 drop, everybody. That was the difference, guys. I put a light on. There's a gaff right here, Bill. Yeah. Doesn't feel real heavy, but it's still shaking.
I see it. I don't know what the hell it is. Sand dab. Got 2 sand dabs.
Here we go. Got 2 of them. I thought, I got me in the ear too.
What you got? You got a hook in the ear. Uh-oh.
There we go, got another double.
Oh.
I got something good this time.
Oh, you do?
Oh yeah. It's stomping it.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah. And it's jiggling. Oh, maybe I just lost it.
17 below. Yeah.
No, I think I lost it.
Yeah, I don't see your rock band.
Huh?
I don't see your rock band.
Yeah, not like it was. I still got something on there though. I see it twitching on occasion.
This is where you're catching about 4 at a time. That's about where we're at now.
What do I got? I was out there swimming.
Nothing. Yeah, he's got something on there. Link caught or?
I got a salmon.
He did. He caught
A
a
salmon.
Shut up!
I got a, yeah.
Yeah, he's got a silver. Isn't
That was a
silver?
king.
Is it a king?
Yep.
See that bluish color in the back? Oh my God! Take a picture. Take a picture of that.
Grab my camera. It's
You probably had another one on that you lost.
What the hell is salmon doing down at 300 feet?
Look at that beautiful king. I gotta let him go. Too bad. 300 something feet of water. I'm gonna go to the back, let it go. I can't reach the water from here. Well guys, that was a first for me. 2024 salmon problem. Catching them all, we're sand dab fishing. 350 feet of water.
Oh yeah, you do. You got Chris. Chris has got 3. Well, what the hell, maybe we should keep fishing here. Chris has got 4. Somebody's got 4.
Billy, fix that.
Somebody's got
I got 4.
Chris does.
I got 4, but I got hung up on Mike back here.
One's got 2 hooks in him.
Uh-oh, you may have to share that bounty with
Oh no, his is still down in the water.
Mike's is so
Look at this, guys. I got hung up with Mike. I got my 4 hanging back here in the back. You know, if he'd stay out of my way, I'd be catching a whole bunch today.
That's what I was thinking. Oh, look at that one, swallowed it.
Oh, they all swallowed it. Look, they're all down in
this
there.
one isn't too bad. But
They all swallow them.
how the hell?
Look at it. Look at it down in there, guys. They're way down in there. Another quadruple header. 1 rig. No salmon on it this time though.
Okay.
All right, guys, we're gonna call it quits out here in the deep, and we're gonna try moving in a little shallower. See if we can find some bigger petrale sole. Hey everyone, we tried in shallower. It's 200 feet of water here. We didn't get any bites. We didn't catch anything at all. It's time to move on and go pull the crab pots. All right, guys, we're pulling up on the first spot. Let's see how we do.
I got the, yeah.
Yeah, let me get the bundle it. Yeah, that's what I was just asking.
Whoever wants to.
Start wrapping. How many keepers do you think are in each one?
I'm going to say 4. 4 is the number.
4 is what we need.
4 is what we're looking for.
1 crab, 2 crabs. Or 1.
At least 1 keeper.
Alright, we're gonna have to put some conicals. You wanna what's that?
That was number 10.
There's 5 pots.
Yeah, there's a keeper female.
Throw it back.
Going.
That came up sideways, huh?
Yeah, it came up way sideways.
How the hell did that happen?
Got, the rope got down in the
Door?
door right here.
Huh. There's 1 keeper in there. For sure.
More than 1.
Huh?
I think we got more than 1.
Yeah.
11. Woo, there's a bass over there. Well.
Colorful. Yeah. We might have 3 or 4 in that one. Getting better. Wonder where all the jumbos went.
The crabbers got them all.
Commercial guys. That's why my buddy don't go crabbing now. He's just all fished out.
Why, because there's no more jumbos?
Yeah.
Well, I bet you we might catch some jumbos in the conicals. I think they have a hard time getting in those pots.
Yeah. I have to go to keep the female.
You got a conical ready for them?
With the conical here.
A lot of females there.
Oh, was there?
Yeah, we only got 2 males. They're both keepers, but
The rest of them are all females.
Oh wow.
It's legal to keep them, but not.
Oh yeah, we got color in this one. It's our best spot yet. Don't forget to look, see what kind of bait's in that one. See if you got your steak in that one.
See if I got my steak in that one?
Yeah, here we want to him it.
Rock crab.
17. 18.
One little rock crab.
Sucker here. Try to run the beach at 56.
19.
We'll go this way farther.
Halfway home.
That's taking you out to the ocean.
Oh yeah, but you want to run the beach. You don't want to head into the beach. We got to stay at 56.
21.
Nope. Under.
Barely. 20. And a rock.
All right, everybody, we're about to pull the hoops. We pulled all 10 of our pots, and we only ended up with 20 crabs, so we dropped 10 hoops. And let's see how we do with 10 hoops, 1 hour soak. We had a 6-hour soak on the pots.
New color.
Little ones.
Oh, we might have one.
Oh, those two good ones. One's a female hawk.
Well, I know that one's a female. I know there's 2 females of these, but it looks like we might have one male. Small. Female. Let's see, this one. That's a male.
What?
That's the keeper.
Keeper?
Yeah.
Right, we got one.
Yeah, I thought it was a good deal. The guy was asking $6.99 at the start of the season.
I think we got
Ooh,
one.
there's a big one in there.
We got one.
Where'd you get it from?
That's
a nice looking crab.
Business, ended on the side,
That's the keeper.
out of his garage.
All right, everybody, that's a day. So we ended up with quite a few petroleum sole, sand dabs. We got one sand sole, nice little sand sole. Crab pots did the best.
Salmon.
Yeah, got one salmon, one king salmon. Kind of early in the season for that, but kind of cool to catch one on a sand dab rig of all things. I guess we really have a shortage of salmon when they're hitting sand dab rigs. But we ended up with 22 crabs. We didn't get limits. The pots did the best. We let them soak for about 6 hours, got 20 out of that. And then we soaked hoops for an hour, and we got 2 keeper male crabs. We let a lot of keeper females go. We just don't keep females. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, go down and hit that subscribe button. If you have, big thanks to all my subscribers, all the support to the channel, and catch you all in the next video.